Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to download and install Python step by step. This tutorial is perfect for beginners. First, open your Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, type download Python for Windows 11. Click on official Python website. Once the website loads, move your mouse to the downloads menu at the top. Click on download button. Wait for the installer file to download. Open the downloaded file. Check the box that says add Python to path. Click install now. Wait for few seconds while Python installs. Now let's make sure Python install correctly. Open command prompts. Type Python ---- version. If you see a version number, then Python installed successfully. You can start coding in command prompt. Type Python and enter. Type print hello world and enter. Your code will run successfully. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy coding.